Welcome to Sri Lanka, the jewel of the Indian Ocean. This small island nation is home to some of the most stunning natural beauty and rich cultural heritage in the world. Our first stop is Sigiriya, an ancient fortress built on top of a massive rock. Next up, we have the picturesque town of Ella, which is nestled in the central highlands of Sri Lanka. This charming town is known for its stunning waterfalls, rolling tea plantations, and stunning views of the surrounding hills. We hope you enjoyed this tour of some of the most famous tourist destinations in Sri Lanka.